So here on this problem we are given that a rocket is launched in the vertically upward direction. That means it starts from here and start moving in the vertically upward direction. Now a camera is positioned 5,000 feet from the launching pad. So this is the location of the camera, and this distance we are given as 5,000 feet. Now when the rocket is 1,000 feet from the launching pad, that means suppose at this point it reaches, this height is 1,000 feet. The velocity of the rocket is 600 feet per second. That means this is the rate of change of height with respect to time. Now we have to find the necessary rate of change of angle, camera angle, so that it can stay focused on the rocket. So this theta dot we have to calculate.